Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we open colors. First we open the color of yellow. Yellow color. The next one is green color. The color of green. And the next one is blue color. The color of blue. The next one is white color. White color. The next one is red. Now we are opening the color of red. The next one is black color. The color of black. Kids, today we draw alphabets A to Z and numbers. First we draw alphabets A. The next one is B. B. C. E.
W, X, Y, and Z.
F for
Now
fish.
I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
G.
me?
H.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
N. O. And the next one is P. Q. Kids, the next one is R. R for rose. S.
A, B, C, D, E,
D.
F, G, H, I, J,
U.
K, L, M, N, O, P,
V.
Q, R, S, T, U, V,
W.
W, X, Y,
X.
and Z. Now I know
Y.
my ABCs.
And the last one is Z.
Next time,